One rainy day, Bunny decided that he needed a house, and he started to build one. First, Bunny made a big window because, well, every bunny needs a view. Then came a door, just the right size for fluffy feet to hop through. Then his friend Stephanie helped him with the windows so the sunshine could peek in, but the rain could stay out. She even made another bunny out of Play-Doh because building a roof is a big job, and every bunny builder needs a buddy. She liked pink, so of course her bunny was pink too. The pink bunny placed a little ladder on the wall, climbed right up, and started building the roof, one careful hop at a time. Once the roof was ready, both bunnies painted tiny flowers on the walls to make the house look cute. Then the sun peeked out from behind the clouds and smiled down happily at the beautiful bunny house. Tulips began to bloom all around the house, and Bunny thought, "This is the perfect place for all my bunny friends." And what's a house without a little treat? Stephanie decided to bake some yummy muffins for the bunnies.
Let's make muffins. What is this? What is this? It's lava. Okay, now I will mix it with a fork.
But first, mix it. So, baking powder.
I want to do it.
Okay, baking powder. Can you say that?
Baking powder.
This cinnamon.
Is it spicy?
No. Cinnamon. And salt.
Yes, I can do salt.
Here we go. Salt.
Salt.
Yes. Okay. And sugar.
I can put it.
Not all. Let's keep some, okay?
One.
Like this with the water. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, let's mix it. Mix butter and sugar. Okay?
Now mix it.
Yeah, mix it. Can I help? Well, let me help first. You can pour the milk. Can you put milk?
Yeah.
Yes.
A lot?
All of it.
A little bit. Okay, now.
Yes. Careful. Good.
Now mix it.
Okay, let's mix it.
I'll mix it. You take it together.
Yeah, let's go. Is it fun? Yeah?
Yes.
What is your bunny name?
My bunny name is Cortia.
Cortia. That's a nice name. So now we need to add eggs.
Okay. After you do this, then I will open it.
Okay, let's add this. Can you? No. Like this. Add to the flour.
Now it's big.
Huh?
You put this still big.
Sorry.
Now we mix
We'll
it.
mix it.
I can do it on purpose.
You sure?
What's going on here?
Making muffins.
Why are you making muffins?
For Easter.
Mommy, look how I can be fun.
Do you wanna help?
Yeah. Where we got put it?
Oh, put it in. Take more. Take more.
I put a lot.
Put inside.
What?
Run and Christian.
We making this muffins for Bunny
Yeah.
because he likes muffins.
Yeah. You like it?
I do like this.
Don't spill. Oh. Thank you, everyone. Happy Easter. See you next time.
Thank you. Happy Easter. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bakochi
The muffins were so good. And Bunny knew it was just the beginning of many happy days ahead.